Hey everyone, my name is Ayushmaan and welcome to my channel. I am a designer who is obsessed with understanding how people think, how they interact with digital products, and how the design can solve the real world problems. Over the past few years, I have explored UI design, UX research, design systems, and product thinking, and the entire journey of turning an idea into a usable interface. And now I want to share everything I have learned with you. This channel is for anyone who wants to start or grow, whether you are a complete beginner, a student, or someone switching careers. My goal is to make design simple, practical, and easy to understand. I'll be teaching you how to think like a designer, how to analyze interfaces, how to build clean UI layout, how to create wireframes and prototype, how to use tools effectively, and how to approach design with confidence. We will look at real-world examples, break down popular apps, recreate modern UI design, and discuss what makes a product experience truly great. I will also share tips on creating a strong portfolio, improving your visual design skills, building case studies, and preparing for interviews. If you are looking for a place to learn design skills in clear, structured, and honest way, you are in the right place. I want this channel to be a space where you not only learn skills but also understand the mindset behind them. So if you are ready to start your design journey and grow step by step, make sure to subscribe and let's begin this learning part together.